You join us in the idyllic village of Priors Marston, which is located within a close proximity to the market town of Southam.
Today we're going to be showing you around Westwood House. Westwood House is a beautifully presented, Grade 2 listed, 5-bedroom, characterful cottage.
I'm Amrita and this is Nicky and we're here with Fine and Country. Let's take a look around.
Wow, what a property. And if that wasn't enough, you're just moments away from the fantastic local pub, the Hollybush Inn.
For more information or to arrange a viewing, contact us on the details to follow. Thanks for watching.